Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red line annotation here is coming from. And I got to give the bulls credit here because, from the get-go, things did not start out very well at all. Just as a quick recap from yesterday's video, I drew this uptrending trend line, and, you can see right out of the opening gates, the bears actually were able to push down through it, and then from there, it just kind of slowly started to bleed downwards. However, this afternoon, the bulls came roaring back. You can see not only did the volume pick back up in pace, but the price itself corresponded very nicely with it. Don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work to be done if this chart is going to kind of fix itself. But I mean, from the way it started with the trend line break and then the slow bleed to how the day has ended, you got to give the bulls credit, a very nice bounce to the upward side. So I'm just going to go ahead now and get rid of that trend line here, and we'll just focus on a couple levels. First level that I do want to throw in, though, now is a level of support, given that it seems as though the buyers have made themselves pretty apparent, and that is right down here at 87 cents. Not only once, so the first time the price went down there and tested this, so the bears try to press down there, but then after today's price action, not only once but twice, the bears have now tried to press down through 87 cents, and both times the bulls have held very strong. So there's clearly some buyers down there that want to, pick up some shares whenever the price gets down around that level. So that is, the current level of support. And then really not really an update, but more so a confirmation from yesterday's video. And that confirmation point comes in regards to this red line right there, which the power of charts, I promise I have not moved that red line. But you can see on the bounce here, surprise, surprise, you can see right where it got rejected from. But it was kind of a double whammy because you also had the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average sloping downwards, and then they were basically both at the same value right there. So right around $1.10, give or take a few pennies, is going to be that key level of resistance going into tomorrow if this current bounce is going to continue, because there's no doubt about it, the price is currently bouncing. It's just a matter of now of, is this going to get any sort of continuation, or is this thing rolling back over to 87 cents? We shall see. But if continuation and more momentum is going to happen, then definitely $1.10 is public enemy number one going into tomorrow. So nice recovery from early on by the bulls. We'll see how tomorrow unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.